Hello. Well then. Hello everyone. So today I have my IVORY CLASP unboxing. And if you don't know what IVORY CLASP is, it is a $49 subscription service that is for purses, handbags, all that good stuff. You can either choose to do it monthly or quarterly. I choose to get mine quarterly just because I don't need a new purse every single month. But this gives me a new purse 4 times a year. And the cool thing is now they actually send you an email before they ship it out to you with a list of bags that you can choose from. So if you want to be able to take a look through the bags and decide which one you want, you can do that. Or you can just let them surprise you with a bag. So I actually just got done filming my Boxycharm for the month of June. If you want to check that out, I'll link that up above. If you guys are new, hey, my name's Liz. Go ahead and hit that subscribe button down below. Also ring your notification bell so you guys are notified for all of my future videos. And if you guys want to see what I got in this month's IVORY CLASP bag, then just keep watching. Alright, so opening it on up, it says, "People will stare, make it worth their while." On the inside of the box. Here is my bag this month. I'm just going to go ahead and take it out of its packaging. It is from the brand W212. I have several of their bags and I do really enjoy them. So here is my bag this month. It's just a nice, small, dainty little bag. And one thing that I saw that came with it that I really like, it has a strap with chain detailing on them that I thought was super cute. I really wanted a bag like this that was small, something enough to fit, you know, my wallet, my phone, you know, some lip gloss, something like that. So it's not something big and bulky to lug around. I do have 2 kids, a 6-month-old and almost a 3-year-old. And trying to juggle them and a big purse is really hard. So that's why I chose this little small one. Something that I can just throw over me and my hands will be free, and that's what I wanted. So as you can see, the bag is black. It does have this tan detailing to it. It also has detailing on the front with their logo. It says with 212. It's silver. On the back, it does have this pocket right here that you can just throw some small little stuff in. And on the inside, it looks like this. So you do have a zipper pocket on one side right there, and then you have a couple little other pockets right here. So again, just this size of it, I just think is perfect for just toting around a couple things that you really need. The value of this bag is $68, so it's not a whole lot more than what I paid. Typically, the bigger bags that I've received are over $100, so you're basically doubling the price of what you paid for it. But I did save $18 on this bag, which in my opinion isn't bad. 18 bucks is 18 bucks, right? So getting a bag for $50 that just looks nicer, it feels nicer, it's just kind of that leathery-ish kind of material. So I am so excited to use this. I can't wait to throw my things in it and pair it with an outfit and go on out. Let me know what you guys think about IVORY CLASP. Are you subscribed to them? What kind of bags have you guys received in the past? Or is this something that you may think about signing up for? I'll go ahead and link their address down below so that you can check them out if you're thinking about subscribing. So I'll leave that there for you guys. And that's it for this video. Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope that you enjoyed it. Don't forget to subscribe before you leave, and I'll see you next time. Bye.